What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today I am going to show you guys and take you guys along for a ride. Sorry, I didn't even lock my freaking steering wheel, but yeah, so let me freaking turn on the car. It's hot, but she sounds good. This car is full stage 2. Right now it's running pump gas only. Let me put into dynamic mode, and let's put this away so you guys can see clearly. But yeah, let's go. Let's take you guys for a drive, and I will talk to you guys, you know, about the car and how the car drives along the way. But the car just sounds phenomenal, and I hope you guys can see from this angle just how fast the car really is. I know that, you know, in the past when I made a video when I had my camera mounted here, you guys really couldn't tell, you know, how fast the car is because you're not engaged with the car. But from this POV standpoint, I hope you guys can definitely see just how fast is the car. Let's give you guys a little pull. Turn traction off. Yeah, the car sounds good. Sorry if my head wobbles more than usual, just because I have these bucket seats, and they are harder to see, especially now with a GoPro stuck on my head. So safety first, right? I definitely my head definitely look more now. I have this GoPro in front of my eyes, but yeah, downshift to second. So before I shut up and fully give you guys a POV drive, this car, like I said, is fully stage 2. It's tuned by ECC Tune, so it has a stage 2 pump gas map right now with a TCU transmission tune stage 2 as well. Also, I have told them to remove all the burbles, so there is no burbles whatsoever. I kind of got tired of the pops and bangs, so now I wanted to try without the burble, and as you guys can hear, hopefully there's 0 burbles. So let me know what you guys think, and enjoy the ride. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you guys you know, really experience just how powerful and how fast this car really is on stage 2. And man, I'm blown away. This car just the boost just builds and builds and builds, and the transmission, especially after the tune, it has just been insane. It is so fast, it holds so much torque. And let me know what you guys think about the no burble tune, because personally I love it. I think, you know, I can never go back to a burble tune. It just sounds so much cleaner. For some reason it feels faster and more efficient in a way, but yeah, I mean, yeah, this car is great. This car is fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will talk to you guys next time. Peace out.